Okay guys, welcome to the second video, a tutorial of our introduction to Onshape. Today, well in this video, we're gonna show you how to sign in to Onshape. Going to show you how to set up the correct units, and these units, once you set it up the correct way, that's it, you don't need to touch them again, right? So it's very important that you follow these. So setting up units and how to sign in, and we'll have a quick look at where everything is and how I like to sort my files and folders in the software. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and sign in now using the account you created in the last video. Cool, waiting, there we go. Sign in Onshape. I'm on my personal computer, so I'm just going to go touch that. It's going to let me in. Sign in, boom, here we go. Right, this is your Onshape homepage. Right, I'm gonna move that because that's the one we'll be creating. Okay, here we go. Right, this is your Onshape homepage. Essentially, when you sign into Onshape, you're going to come here. Okay, if you ever get lost within Onshape, all you have to do is click on the Onshape button on the top left hand corner. It'll take you here. What do I mean by that? Let's say I go to public here. Who knows what this is, right? Go click on Onshape. Boom, there I am, back here. All right, before we do anything, guys, we're going to set up our units. To do that, you need to go click on your name here on your account, the drop down account, click on my account, and on the left click preferences. Right, display language is English. Units, we need to change the units. Right, our length is millimeters. Angles are in degrees. Mass is in kilogram. Time 24 hour, I don't know. Really, time and mass doesn't really matter for us because we are not going to be doing anything that involves time or mass. Length, decimal places. I like to keep it at 3 decimal places. If you want to, you can go higher than that. Don't go lower, because if we do end up 3D printing it, that third decimal place is quite important for us. Okay, and now you're going to go ahead and save changes. Let me just quickly show you. All right, save changes. It'll say default unit updated. There we go. All right. View manipulation. It's how you interact with your 3D model that we are going to create. Okay, I've set it up to as SolidWorks. Yours should be on default Onshape. That's to start off with. That's fine. If you've never used a 3D modeling software before, guys, keep it on Onshape default. Right? I've kept mine on SolidWorks because that's what I was taught to use at uni. Right? It'll just change what the buttons do, and then you'd go click that as well. Don't worry about these. You can change the shortcuts and things that you can change all of these once you get used to the software and you know how you want to work. Right, so we've gone ahead and saved what we've changed, and we're going to go back to Onshape. Here we are. Right, cool. As you can see, I like to organize my work in folders. So if we click here, right here, I've got a key tag prototype that we were working on. Year 9, these are some things I thought maybe the year 9s could do. Some year 9s, you might recognize this little house that we've made. And the toolbox, offset plane, etc. Okay, now I understand that some of you may have done this already, but just work through this because it's good practice for you. All right. Excellent. So we're going to go ahead and first of all make a folder. Right. I'm going to call this Onshape tutorial. Oops. Cool. Create. Done. And there it is. Okay. If you go ahead and click that, it's going to be empty because there's nothing there. So in here we can go and create a new document. That is the model that you'll be making. We're going to call this tutorial box because that's what it is. All right, and go ahead and click OK. Let's wait till it all sort of loads up. Now how fast or slow this loads up is completely dependent on your internet speed, right? So if you're downloading a 4K movie while running this, while your brother's playing Fortnite and people are watching Netflix, it's going to be quite slow. So, right? So just be patient, be calm. It's a web-based software. Okay? Excellent. Right, that's that for now. Click on Onshape again, and it'll take you to the Onshape tutorial folder. Click it again, it'll take you back all the way. Okay? And the next lesson, next video, we'll make a simple box, talk about how we like to set things up, and how this program works. Alright guys, have a good one. See ya.